Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Microsoft Authenticator app in laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your browser and in the search bar of it you will have to type ldplayer.net. This will land you on the official website of LD Player where you are going to see this download LD Player tab. So I simply need to click on this tab and this software will be start downloading in your device. Now once it is successfully downloaded, you just have to click on it and then you simply need to install it in your device. So what LD Player does is it helps you to launch various mobile applications in your PC. So once you have successfully installed LD Player in your device, you simply need to launch it and then you are going to see this type of screen in front of you. So you will have to click on System Apps and then you need to select the option of Play Store. After that, you will be asked to log in into your account. So you need to provide your Gmail and your password and you simply need to log in into your account first. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to use this search bar and here you simply need to type Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you have done that, you are going to see the Microsoft Authenticator application with its icon. So you need to click on the install button right next to it. And after that, you just have to wait for some time until it download in LD Player. Now once it is installed successfully, you need to tap on open and after signing into your Microsoft account, you can start using it in your laptop. So if this video was helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.